The next batch for 75 cross 75 starts from 4th of March. We all know 75 cross 75 is a current affairs crash course targeting 2024 prelims. So in this program, I will be discussing current affairs and I will link static wherever required, and I will focus more on economic core concepts as well. I have given a demo video of this program. The link is given in the description. You can watch it to experience about the program. If you are looking for some self-preparation strategy, I have made a strategy video available in our channel. Those videos are for you. But if you are looking for some support in current affairs, sir, I am a fresher, sir, I am a working professional, I am a repeater, but I need some support in current affairs, then 75 plus 75 is for you. The program starts from 4th of March. Starting from 4th of March, every day I will be giving you a video. 8 p.m. every day I will be uploading a video. Watch the video. I will give a material based on what we have discussed. Revise the material. I will give you a mini test based on what we have discussed. Take the test. Watch the video, revise the material, take test. Watch, revise and take test, with which comfortably you can cover the current affairs which is required for our prelims 2024. For more information, you can call to the number given here. You can also download the brochure. The link I have given in the description. You can use it for more information as well. So see you in the program. Till then, bye. Take care.